guys, welcome back to my channel.
I can take my glasses off, sorry.
Today I wanted to start a new thing. Basically it's called Influencers in the Wild. I do this on TikTok, but obviously it's easier to do things on TikTok because it's shorter. I've never used this camera to like vlog before, so if you're new here or if you've been here, please don't be on my butt. Because I'm trying my best. I did 2 outfits today. One is for my Instagram and one is for a UGC collab, which is user generated content. I can insert what I did the first time, which they didn't really like it because I had this blazer over top and you couldn't see the words, which was "Seek God." So I'm doing it over. Hopefully they like it this time, which they really just wanted basic photos, but I kind of like to put my twist on things. I have to remember this is a brand and they want to use this stuff for their website, and they definitely want to be able to see their words on their photos and videos, so it's okay that I'm doing it over. My camera died actually, and I did not know that I brought another one until I was done finishing my first shoot, which I can show you guys the pictures of what it looked like. So you can go to my Instagram and see those ones, but these ones will not be on my Instagram. There are some that's similar. The ones that the brand rejected are on my Instagram. I'll show you guys right here too what they look like, so you guys can compare it to the ones that I'm going to show them. And if they don't approve it tomorrow, I will bring you guys back so you guys can see what I do the next day. Oh, all right, let's get into this little like 2-minute vlog. Okay, Bessie, so this is the desired location. She's cute, she's chic, she's looking like a coffee shop, but she's really not. She's a furniture store. And now that I found my location, I like to make sure that the lighting is good, and you can see me doing that. That's why I am giving you the thumbs up. But if you want to do that yourself, you just need to turn your phone on selfie mode, spin around, and where there's no shadows on your face, that is where you want your tripod to be. You want to make sure that the lighting is facing directly towards you. Since your girl's not a professional yet, I do have to take a couple test shots, so I take like 3 to 4 videos to make sure everything's okay, and I do use them in my reels and stuff and TikTok videos, but in this case I will be using it for the ad. Quick tip, you want to make sure that your tripod is level to your chest and the lighting is directed to you. Do not have a backlit photo, it's gonna look bad, I promise you. So I do delete a lot of the videos and only keep one because I don't have a lot of storage. But yeah, we're moving on to taking photos, and I use Lens Buddy. Lens Buddy is a self-timing app, and anyone that's trying to be a fashion girly knows that you have to use Lens Buddy because it separates all of your photos. I'm not organized, so it separates my photos from the iPhone app, and that's what I love about it, and it continuously takes photos as long as you want it to. Okay, so let's talk about posing. I'm literally just moving around and doing things that I would normally do if I was walking or like drinking coffee and stuff. You want to spice up your Instagram, you need to go on Instagram Explore page and Pinterest to look for different poses, because I'm not the best at posing, but I am the best at getting like a candid photo. So, and right here you can see that I'm obsessing over the photos, making sure that they're good. I don't recommend looking at them until you go home because you don't want to be obsessing over it, and it's okay to just start over and do it again the next day, but I know that it's tedious, especially if you have to work. So my best advice would be to just take as many photos and videos as your storage will allow you to, then go home and like the ones that you want to keep and then dislike the ones that you don't. I got tired of that location, so I wanted to try the crosswalk in front of it. I was thinking that I was going to get this aesthetically pleasing video. I mean, it came out really good, but it doesn't really compare to the fashion goddesses on Instagram, but don't worry, I'm not comparing myself to them. I know that one day I will get there. We will get there together. Okay, so this is kind of the end of the behind the scenes right here. I'm just taking more photos. I forgot to screen record, so that's my fault. And now after this, we're just going to be heading home, and there's going to be a little bit more behind the scenes of that. That's Lisa, by the way, guys. Okay guys, I'm home, and I'm going to show you guys the final results of what I did today. They came out okay. It's not really what I was envisioning for them, but they really wanted to have their words seen. But I have to remember that this is not for me, it's for the brand. Here comes the results. All right, here you go. So I wish I could have the original sound for the videos, but I don't want to get copyrighted today. So the left side is what they accepted, and it was just like a get it ready with me video. And the right side they rejected, which was just like a outfit in motion video. So they didn't really like that one. I mean, both of them are on my Instagram or my TikTok if you want to see it. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what I need to change, what I need to work on, because this is my first time doing a vlog, and I'm honestly probably going to touch up on a few things on how to do vlogs. Kind of easier for me to do these things on TikTok, so if you want to see the shorter version, go ahead and follow me on TikTok at LAVASHIAA, and that's the same as my Instagram. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it's much more better than this one. Okay, bye.